Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make text transparent in Photoshop. Let's begin. Is for two. Step 1. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Then create a new layer again and type text. Press Ctrl T. Hold Ctrl, select align middle and hold Ctrl, select the text. Click again this layer, remove the text, create the layer mask. Press Ctrl I and see this transparent this box and again show this text, change the color, opacity. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.